Welcome student. In this video, today we are going to learn the fourth chapter of 6th mathematics, that is operations on a fraction. Firstly, we recall the reverse standard picture graph. Student, there are shown picture of girl and boy. There is shown the apples and here the children. There are given two children. In the first row, there are 6 apples and children are 2. Then how to be divide 6 apples into 2 children? Here 3 apples we can give to the girl and the 3 apples we can give to boy. Means equally we can divide 6 apples. Observe the second row. There are 4 apples and children 2. Then 4 apples we can divide 2 by 2. Then now observe student, firstly 2 row, there have in the first 2 row equally share the apples. Now in the third row there are apple is 1 and children are 2. Then how we can divide this apple? Half and a half. So half part we can give to the girl and half part we can give to the boy. Means 1 apple is divided by 2, that is a 1 upon 2. Now the fourth row, there are 7 apples and children's 2. Then how could we divide it? Firstly 3 apples give to the girl and 3 apples give to the boy, and 1 apple we can divide into 2 parts. Means 3 and a half we can give to the girl and 3 and a half we can give to the boy. Means 7 divided by 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. Next point is conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. Let's learn how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. There are shown the example 11 upon 5. So 11 upon 5, that is an improper fraction, and that fraction we have convert into mixed number. Firstly 11 divided by 5. Here the divisor 5 and here the dividend 11. So in the fifth table 11 is not present, then use the lower number, that is a 10, and 10 is which is in place 2. So 11 minus 10, answer is 1. So 1 is we can say as a remainder and the 2 is the quotient of that division. So the formula of the conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number, that is a dividend upon divisor is equal to quotient and remainder upon divisor. So the quotient of this example is 2. So 2 you can write here and the remainder is 1. So 1 write at the numerator place and the divisor, that is a 5, is right the denominator place. So 11 upon 5, that improper fraction we can easily convert into mixed number, that is a 2 complete 1 upon 5. Now next point, conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. So student, here is given 2 complete 1 upon 5, that is a mixed number, and 11 upon 5, that is an improper fraction. How to be convert in that fraction? Let's learn. So 2 complete 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 multiply by 5 plus 1. 2 is the complete number, multiply by denominator 5 and plus numerator 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10, and plus 1 is equal to 11, and 5 write as it is. So to complete 1 upon 5, that mixed number convert into 11 upon 5. Now the next point, addition of mixed numbers. Firstly, we learn how to add mixed numbers by using first method. Here is the example. 6 complete 2 upon 3 plus 2 complete 4 upon 5. Now there is complete number is 6 and 2. So firstly sum the both two numbers. There is 6 plus 2. Then plus remaining improper fraction right here, 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. Then 6 plus 2, that is a 8, plus 2 upon 3 as it is, plus 4 upon 5 as it is, then is equal to 8 right here as it is, plus here. Now student, look here, in two improper fraction there are different denominator. Firstly we convert the same denominator. So in the first fraction 2 upon 3, there we can use 5. Always taken the next fraction denominator number for easily convert the equal denominator. Here 2 upon 3, 2 multiplied by 5 and upon 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 upon 5. Here opposite fractions denominator is 3, so we use here 3. 4 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 3. So 8 right here as it is, plus 2 multiplied by 5, that is a 2 5s are 10. 3 multiplied by 5, that is 3 5s are 15, plus 4 multiplied 3, 4 3s are 12, and 5 3s are 15. Now we have convert the unequal denominator into equal denominator. Then in the next step 8 write as it is, and here denominator are same, so here write one same denominator. Write the denominator and do the sum of numerator. Here 10 plus 12, so 10 plus 12 is 22, and 15 as it is, and 8 right here. Now 15 divided to 22, 15 ones are 50, and 15 divide from the 22, and the remain is 1, and 15 ones are 15, that is a quotient 1. So 8 plus 1, that is 9. So answer is 9 complete 7 upon 15. So that example we have learned by using second method. This method also we use in mixed number convert into improper fraction. So that mixed number 6 complete 2 upon 3. Right here 6 multiplied by 3 plus 2 and upon 3 plus 2 multiply 5 plus 4 upon 5. Now 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18, plus 2 and denominator 3, plus 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10, plus 4 and denominator 5. So 18 plus 2, that is 20, and denominator 3 right here as it is. Then plus 10 plus 4, which is 14 upon 5, Okay, look here. That is the improper fraction. 20 upon 3 plus 14 upon 5. In the numerator place, there is right 20 multiplied by 5 plus here 3 multiplied by 40. Means first fraction numerator multiply by second fraction denominator plus first fraction denominator multiply by second fraction numerator, and denominator multiply to denominator, which is 3 multiplied by 5. Now here 20 multiplied by 5, that is 100, plus 3 multiplied by 40, that is 42, and 3 multiplied by 5, that is 50. So 100 plus 42, that is 142, and 50 write as it is. So 142 upon 50, that is an improper fraction, and that improper fraction convert into mixed number, that is 9 complete 7 upon 50. Now the next point is subtraction of mixed numbers. The example 6 complete 2 upon 3 minus 2 complete 4 upon 5. Student, you can subtract mixed number by using first method or a second method of addition of mixed number. There is just little change. Use the minus sign of this position. 6 minus 2, that is 4, then plus 2 upon 3 as it is, minus then 4 upon 5, then 4 write here as it is. Then using previous method, make the equal denominator of both fractions. 2 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 3, then 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, 3 multiplied by 5 15, minus 4 multiplied by 3 12 upon 5 multiplied by 3 50. So here we make the equal denominator, here 4 as it is, plus now subtract the numerator of both fractions. 10 minus 12 upon, here is the equal denominator, right, 15, then 4, and 10 minus 12, here first number positive and second negative, then subtract both the number. So 10 minus 12, that is a minus 2, because 12 is a bigger number and that is a negative number. So here minus 2 and 15 as it is. So the answer final is 4 complete negative 2 upon 15. Now the next point is showing fractions on the number line. That is a number line from 0 to 10. So student, here look the mark. So firstly count the mark from 0 to 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The mark from the 0 to 1, that is a 10. Student, always remember the denominator of any place of this number line is depend for the 0 to 1 mark. So here 0 to 1 marks are 10. So always the denominator is 10 and the arrow on the mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So numerator is 7 and denominator is 10. Next arrow place is, here is the one number is complete and the arrow on the place on the mark 1, 2, 3. So denominator is 10. So the denominator is 10 and the complete number is 1, and from the complete number mark is 1, 2 and 3. So numerator is 3. So next mark is on the 7th position from the 4. Then 4 is the complete number and denominator is 10 and numerator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the fraction is 4 complete 7 upon 10. Observe the next mark. This arrow on the fifth mark from the 7. Then 7 complete 5 upon 10. That is the fraction of this place. For more learn, we check another example of the number line. Observe the number line. Number start from 0 to 5 and the mark from the 0 to 1, that is a 1, 2 and 3. So the arrow shown on the second mark. So 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. In this example, we have learned how to show improper fraction and also show a mixed number. In the improper fraction or a mixed number, that place you can show that fraction. Now here complete number is 1 and then 2 marks. So numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3, because from the 0 to 1 there are mark is 3. That is mixed number. In the improper form you can show like that 5 upon 3, because from the 0 to this mark count the mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is the numerator and the 3 is denominator. Here 3 is complete number and arrow on the mark 1. So numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. In improper fraction, this place mark is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So numerator is 10 and denominator is 3. Now the next point is multiplication of fraction. There are easy method for solving multiplication of fraction. For example, 2 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 5. You just multiply horizontally. Numerator multiply by numerator. 2 multiply by 4, that is 8. And denominator multiply by denominator. 3 multiply by 5, 50. Now check another example. 5 upon 8 multiply by 7 upon 5. 5 multiply by 7, that is 35. And 8 multiply by 5, that is 40. Now observe the fraction 35 and 40. Both number, if completely divisible by any number, then you must be divide both the number. So 35 and 40, that is divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5 means 5 7 is 35. So here write 7. And 40 divided by 5 means 5 8 is 40. So write here 8. So final answer is 7 upon 8. Next point is reciprocals or a multiplicative inverse. Student, any fractions inverse fraction that is said to be reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. So 2 upon 3, that fraction reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Then 2 multiply 3, that is 6, and 3 multiply 2, that is 6. So 6 ones are 6. All reciprocals product is 1. Observe also second example. 5 upon 8, which is reciprocal is 8 upon 5. So 5 8 is 40, 8 5 is 40, and 40 divided by 40, that is a 1. Next point is division of fractions. For learn division of fractions, that is the example. 3 upon 7 divided by 4 upon 5. For the division of fractions, write first fraction as it is, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Then divide sign convert into multiplication, and the fraction 4 upon 5 or any fraction can write here inverse. That operation is convert to multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 and 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28. Now check another example. 12 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 7. First fraction write as it is, divide sign convert into multiply. Second fraction write in invert. So 12 multiplied by 7, that is 84, and 8 multiplied by 7, that is 48. Now find the number which is completely divisible to both numbers. Then 6 number is completely divisible. So 84 divided by 6, that is 40. 48 divided by 6, that is 8. 14 6 are 84. 8 6 are 48. And that improper fraction convert into mixed number. 8 ones are 8, and 8 subtract from the 40, and the remain is 6. So final answer 1 complete 6 upon 8.